Hi, this is Kunj Patel. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So let's start the AutoCAD. Grade mode off. Orthogon on. UCS icon fixed. Off. First of all, choose the circle center radius command. Its dimension is 110. I will zoom it. Then again, circle center radius command its dimension is 60 mm. Again, I will choose line command. Its dimension is 20 mm. Is move it. Extend the line. Again, circle center radius command choose. Its dimension is 30 mm. Trim command use. Trim command use. Again, line command choose. @110 less than 150 degree. I will choose the offset command. Select offset command. Through. Enter. 10 mm right side. 10 mm left side. Again, choose the center radius command. Its dimension is 30 mm. Trim command used. This line was deleted. Trim command used. Again, line command choose. 20 mm line is move it the circle center below the. Now extend the line. Circle center radius command choose. Its dimension is 30 mm. Trim command used. Trim command use again. Again, line command choose. @110 less than 330 degree. Now offset command choose. Through 10 mm left side, 10 mm right side. Now again, center radius command choose. Its dimension is 30 mm. Trim command used. This line is deleted. Again, trim command used. This circle is deleted. Now again, line command choose 70 mm dimension. Again, line command choose 23 mm its dimension. Now it's the center. Copy command used. Center to center. This part is deleted. This whole part move it circle center. Now again, circle center radius command choose. This dimension is 28 mm. Again, line command choose. Again, line command choose. Again, trim command choose. trim command used. This part or this part is deleted. Again trim command choose. Our drawing is completed. So let's given the dimension. So linear dimension, this part to this part. Again this part to this part, linear dimension given. Again radius command given, radius dimension. Again radius dimension. Again radius dimension. Again center radius, circle command choose. This dimension is 20 mm. This circle copy to 4 side. Now again this radius command choose. This dimension. Now linear command choose. This dimension. All the dimensions select it. All the dimensions selected. Now I am going to the properties. Text height 6 mm. I will close it. Now I will give the center line, by layer, others, load, center line select, OK, click here, OK. Now circle selected, center line. Our drawing is completed with dimension. So thank you so much watching this video.